Do y'all hear how my baby is hollering in the background? Okay, let me hurry. Hi, you guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Heather Lauren. If you are new, welcome. Please hit that subscribe button. And if you are not new, thank you for returning. So I've been working on a way to get a routine going so I can show you guys what I do with my daughter. She's 2 months now, but this might just be my almost routine because it's never the same. Like no day is the same. I got up, washed my face, brushed my teeth. Baby girl's in there already hollering because she's ready to eat. So I'm just gonna kind of show you guys what I do in the morning, and then we'll just kind of go throughout the day. So stay tuned. We start our mornings probably around like 8 o'clock. I'll get up, I'll try to get up before her, but sometimes she's up like, where's my bottle? So I'm just gonna feed her right now. And then what we do after that, since I already like took a shower, wash my face, brush my teeth, what we're gonna do after that is I'm gonna get a sponge bath going for her, and then I'm gonna get her dressed for the day. And then once I get her dressed, I get dressed for the day. I clean all the rest of her bottles, I make all the rest of them, and then I pack her bag. Okay, I got everything ready for her after she gets out her bath. This is gonna be her outfit today, you know, keeping it simple. It's a really hot day today, like 90 something degrees. So I'm just gonna put her on some shorts and a onesie. Okay, so right here, I'm just putting some warm water on baby girl's seat so it's nice and warm for her, because if not, she will freak out. Mommy. It's okay, mama. You okay? So at this point, I already pretty much bathed her whole body. I was just rinsing her with warm water. Hi, Poe. So I had already washed her hair. She hates when I wash it, because I guess because the shampoo's cold, but she loves the rinse, so that's what I was doing here. So this is just me getting baby girl all lotioned up. I always put lotion on my hands and rub it together so it gets warm. So I start from her upper body and I play with her and give her kisses, and then I just keep moving along to her lower body. And when I get down to her feet and legs, I give her more of a massage. And at this point, she was still freaking out, but you know, we do what we gotta do. I massage her back, and then I start getting her dressed. Always put her onesie on, depending on what she, you know, what I pick out. If it's a onesie, if it's a shirt, it doesn't matter. I always start with the shirt first, of course. And then I already had her diaper on. And then let's put her shorts on. They're so cute. My mom bought these from Carter's. They're already 3 months shorts that she's wearing. She's wearing 3 months shorts and onesies. So that's what I was doing here. Oh, look at you. You're so cute. You're so cute. You're so cute, my baby. The last thing I do is put some baby lotion or like Vaseline in her hair. I don't like to use a lot of product in her hair yet, so I do that before I start styling it. Okay, so now I'm just giving baby girl a comb over. I like to do this because I like flicking her hair like that, because I feel like that's the closest she is to looking like me, is when our hair looks the same. Oh, you sleepy? Show them your fit of the day. You want to show them your outfit? And I'll always slick her hair like I'll be slicking mine. This is what her hair looks like. She's probably tired, so I'm gonna put her down for a quick little nap. Okay, so she's down for a nap. Usually when she's down for a nap, depending on how tired she is, I don't have like 30 minutes to an hour, if that. So I'm gonna just, she's already moving, but I always play noise when she sleeps, so she's used to not hearing like peace and quiet. Okay, so this is her bag. It already has a changing pad, diapers, wipes, extra outfit. Okay, so when packing her bag, I always bring an extra washcloth just in case she needs it or has a really big mess. Burp cloths. I pack extra formula, her Desitin in case she has diaper rash or we need it like on hand. And I always put a hairbrush in there to keep her hair brushed throughout the day. I have these Munchkin wipes with Arm & Hammer because you can wipe off the bottle or the binky if it falls on the floor. And for the formula, I fill it with 4 ounces separated 3 ways, so 12 ounces, and then I put a water in the bag. Her bag is ready. I'm gonna go ahead and wash all the bottles, and then I'm gonna get ready, and then yeah. So I usually soak her bottles with soap and water after using them, so that way it helps slough off any residue. Okay, so all the bottles are clean. They're on the drying rack. I put some formula in this bottle because this is usually the one I take with me. So I just washed my hair like 2 nights ago, conditioned it and stuff. But when you have my kind of hair, you literally have to condition and oil it like every day. So I did speed up these clips because y'all, it would take me all day. Y'all be watching this all day. So I just conditioned my hair, put it in a bun, and then right here I'm gonna just be working on slicking my edges a little bit. Nothing too much, like not like I don't have baby hairs. I'm not really extra with it, but I just like a little extra curl to my edges. And then I'm gonna put on my silk wrap so it lays everything flat. And all I use is like some gel and conditioner. That's it. Wrap it up real good, and then we're gonna go. Okay, I'm gonna go get dressed. I'm gonna come back with my outfit on, and we're gonna leave the house. Okay, so this is what I'm wearing. Just a white bodysuit, little gold accents on it with the buttons, gold earrings, black shorts, and then y'all probably can't see my shoes, but I don't really carry purses much when I have all her stuff with me because it's a lot to carry. I live in a 2nd story apartment building. So I just have my Michael Kors wallet with a little gold on it. So everything kind of goes together. The gold and the shoes are like kind of clearish. So they go with it. And I got white toes. I think she wanted to sleep real quick again because she had woke back up. We're about to head out the house. Look at my baby. She's ready to go. She's looking at me like, hurry up and feed me. Get me out of here. This is her bag. I got her bag on. So this is what it looks like. Mommy life. I'm so happy. Yeah, I'll take a picture, probably take a few pictures of us, and I'll insert them. Okay, so me and baby girl going to the car. She's cranky. Sometimes that's how she is, but the lighting. Put the air on. It's hot in here. And look who's asleep already. See? Okay, so we're gonna go to my mom's house. Probably eat something there because she told me she already had food. But yeah, that was just pretty much what it takes to get us out the house. But I'll probably keep the vlog going. I don't know. I'm trying to make content for you guys, so we'll see. But yeah, we're gonna head out. I love my nails. Impossible. Yeah. We're in Burlington right now. We're gonna go to a few stores. And baby girl asleep right now. Oh, my hands are ashy. These are kind of cute, but I wouldn't want them this hot. It's funny because I did actually buy some stuff in Burlington. Some stuff that I felt like I needed. Or that's what we tell ourselves. But now there's no light in here. Now I'm in Target. So I need baby formula, and of course it cost a lot with the big one. Because you can never be too sure. The formula we use for Jada. This big old can is like almost $40. I actually do need some concealer. It's so expensive now. I remember why I don't do my makeup no more because I just stopped buying this stuff. Yeah, I think we're gonna go with this one. The light in here is horrible, y'all. Focus. There we go. Got a little smoothie. Y'all, I did get some stuff from Burlington, like some like makeup brushes and sponges. I always like come up on deals there for that kind of stuff, I got the concealer, as y'all can see, from Target. I have like foundation and stuff, and hi baby, I have foundation and stuff at home already. I just want to start getting into doing my makeup again. So yeah, you'll see that. And I already got lashes and stuff yesterday. But my mom was with me, so I just didn't put her on camera. But she got us, she got ice cream and I got a smoothie. I'm taking baby girl home. I'll kind of show y'all what I got from Target, because I got like a bunch of like cosmetic stuff. I did buy a bunch of clothes like from Shein and from the mall, and like new purses and stuff. Some new shoes. If y'all want like a clothing haul, let me know, because I'll be happy to do one. I'm gonna just go home, wind down a bit, show you guys what I got from Burlington. Probably play with baby girl a little bit. She's asleep right now. When she wakes up, she's gonna want to eat. Play with her a little bit, and then yeah, we'll go from there. She was, maybe she's calm right now. Sleep already. But let me quickly show y'all what we got today. I didn't really get no playtime with her because she's been in and out of crankiness and sleep. So let me just show y'all what I got from Burlington, so I could like end this vlog. And yeah. So I got these BB slides. I thought they were super cute. I'm trying to see if you see them. Size 11, because my foot went up when I got pregnant. Super duper cute. This 4-in-1 cotton set, like for cosmetic reasons. I got a 2-pack, pretty much like compression mid-thigh shorts. Just had a baby, so I'm trying to get back to something. Got this Cetaphil. This was $8.99. A Cetaphil face wash because I have sensitive skin. I don't know about rough and bumpy, but hey. Got these BB brushes. This is a kit, so that's cool because I'm gonna start doing makeup again. And this was convenient because this was like $29 for all of that. I got pimple patches for those little blemishes that are stubborn. Touch-up razors, which will help with my brows. A CoverGirl brow, it's like a brow pencil. I got some concealer, but this is from Target. CoverGirl concealer. I got some mascara, and it was a good price at Burlington, especially for Maybelline. And then I got some LA Colors. It's a brow kit. Oh, and then can't forget the e.l.f. cosmetics. Little fan brush. So that's the stuff I got. Little mini haul. I'm gonna feed her for the night, try to get her back into bed, and yeah, we're just gonna end the vlog out. I'm gonna take a shower and wind down, and so yeah, I'm gonna get her fed and everything, and then wind down for the day. So I just want to say thank you for watching my video. If you're new to my channel, don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And if you're not new to my channel, thank you for returning, and I'll be back with more.